Keystone Custom Homes Grove at Dauphin Oaks community consists of 6 magnificent, nearly acre-sized home sites that will feature estate-style homes in very close proximity to the Harrisburg metro area. Keystone Custom Homes will offer 13 floor plans in this community, starting at just over 1,800 square feet, going up to as much as 4,100 square feet. And of course, the ability to customize and enlarge plans would be available as well. 2 of our larger plans in the community that are very popular, the Hawthorne and the Devonshire. Hawthorne starting at 36 plus 100 square feet, and the Devonshire being the 4,145 plan. Both feature 2-story family rooms. The Devonshire actually features dual staircases, but they're both very popular, very nice estate-style homes that will be offered in that community. The model that we are featuring at the Grove at Dauphin Oaks is a Nottingham Manor. It is 3,008 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. It has a very just beautiful traditional facade with a rounded turret. You enter the home, you have high ceilings, lots of windows, beautiful garden kitchen that passes through to an expansive 2-story family room that's just incredible. The views, the natural light coming in. It's a very popular first floor owner suite plan for us. Homeowners are going to choose to build in the Grove at Dauphin Oaks community because of the highly customizable floor plans that can be built on our expansive estate-size home sites in a rural and beautiful, peaceful location, but in very close proximity to area amenities and the Lancaster-Hershey-Harrisburg corridor.